Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and this is the tutorial number 112, and this is the very simple part, and you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same. So I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file. So first thing which we will do is to insert a body, and then I will on my origin plane, and first thing which we will do is to create this back profile. So for this we will select exit plane and click on the sketch, and click on the model tab and hide the plane, and we will select rectangle tool, and we will use the symmetricity, select this point and this point and this axis, and we will delete this conflict constraint, and I will select this horizontal dimension and provide the 40 mm, and select vertical dimension and provide the value 30 mm, and now we will close it. And now I will extrude it to the distance of 95. So press 0, select sketch and click on extrude, select on reverse and give the value 95 and click on OK. And now we will create this profile, this one. So for this we will on our plane, and we will select this mid plane and click on the sketch, go to the model tab, and I will click on the project geometry, and from here I will switch to the wireframe, and now I will create a equal line, and then I will draw the two horizontal line, and we will select a 3-point arc, and I will select horizontal dimension, select this and provide the horizontal dimension of 140 mm, and here we will add the tangency, and we will select the diameter and provide the diameter of 60 mm, and we will close it. Now I will press V7 and select the sketch, click on extrude, select the dimension and provide the length 15 mm and make it symmetric to the plane, click on OK. Now we will create this pad. So for this we will select the face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, click on the projects geometry to project the edges, and now I will create a rectangle, select this and add the coincidence, and here we will make this symmetric. So we will click on the symmetricity, select this point and this axis, and resolve this constraint by deleting it, and now select the vertical dimension in this case horizontal, and this will be 90 mm, which we can see here, and this is the vertical symbol is here, so we will use the vertical constraint, and this is the 50. Now close it and extrude it to the distance of 12 mm. Now this seems to be the two separate solid, so we will select our last feature and we will click and say refine is true, and now we will add the 4 chamfer at the 4 corners of 10 mm. So we will select the chamfer tool, provide the value here 10 mm, click on select and select all 4 edges, and click on OK. Now press the 0 and we will select this face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric and click on the project and project this outer diameter, select the circle and create a circle and provide this diameter of 25. Click on OK, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, say through, and now we will create this slot. So for this I will select this face and click on the sketch, switch to the isometric, click on project geometry and project this edge, make this view normal and rotate our view, and here we will create a rectangle, and I will delete this line and select arc and create an arc and provide the tangency, say tangent, and we will project this edge, and from here I will select a horizontal dimension, select this point and this point. So here it will be the vertical, select this point and this point and provide the dimension of 25 and select this and provide the dimension of 25, and we will select radius and provide this radius of 5 mm. Click on close, click on cut, and from here say through all. So here if you say through all, it is cutting here, so we will select up to face and select this bottom face, click on OK. So this is how it will. Now press 0 for isometric, and we will mirror this pocket on the other side, means here. So we will click on the mirror. Here is a pocket, it's selected, and you can see that FreeCAD is so smart that it automatically took the reference plane and mirror it. So we will click on OK. Now we will provide the color. So here we have made this shape with respect to our isometric drawing. To apply the color, right click, select appearances and go to the shape color, and here we will give the approximate color as per our part. So this is the very simple tutorial designed for the beginner user to understand the part workbench in FreeCAD, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have enjoyed it, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee, and your small support will help this channel to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.